What is up, my hometown? So once it's your girl Dog with welcome back to my channel.
I just hope she don't wanna leave
Today we're gonna be installing a wig. I ain't installed a wig in a good long minute, especially with, you know, my locks. So before we get into the video, subscribe down below with my Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the install. But first, let me go ahead and braid my hair down real quick, and I'll see y'all when everything is installed. I mean, braided down. So you guys, the hair is braided down. And all. So now we're finna go ahead and put our wig cap on and get to doing the rest. Let's go ahead and put this on.
In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around, I get shy. I see you, and I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right. I see you, and I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, get nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the #1 topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby. Yeah. I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby, I see you. So sexy, boy, so sexy, boy.
So y'all, the wig that we have present is a deep wave 13x6 or 13 by, I'm gonna put it right here. A deep wave wig from Shein. I've never bought a wig from Shein at all. It came fast, it was really cheap. It was like 50 something, I think like 57. Like I said, I'm gonna put everything right here. And it's my first time trying, so we're gonna see how this go. It's already been washed. I thought I had to bleach them knots, but I really didn't have to bleach them as much as I thought. So let's go ahead and install the wig.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me that? want me icon, but then you go again. With your dab, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm going, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out there, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm feeling right now from the side now. Come on, then calm down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
So you guys, this is the hair. The wig is not bad. It's not bad at all. The only thing I would say is just at the ends, like, you know, a little tangle. I have to add my own little spice and dice to it. I just put some clippers on, so mind y'all when I'm doing this. But you guys, overall, the wig is not bad. It's good. It's affordable. You know, you just gotta do what you gotta do to it. I even had got like this lace band. This lace band? What is it called? I had got this with like the one with the cushion. This right here, this helped too, because I have really sensitive ears when it comes to this stuff. And yeah, so basically this and this all came from Shein. I think this was like $1, and then the wig was like 50 something. But y'all, this is the hair. So if you guys like to be, subscribe down below on my Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see y'all in my next week.
See it, you're all I need. Every time I get